Okay, let's draw a turkey. I'm going to go to the halfway point of the paper, and I'm going to come down right here, and then I'm going to come a little bit over like this, all right? So I'm going to make a parentheses that's sort of in the air like that, right? I'm drawing today with just a regular Crayola marker because I couldn't find a Sharpie. I'm going to draw this sort of curved line down, and then another curved line down like that, that's sort of equal to that. I'm going to equal those lines. Okay, so that's his beak. Now I'm going to draw the bottom of his beak, and this is a cartoon turkey, so it's not going to look like, you know, real. So you're going to draw a curved line here, and then a curved line there. All right, that's like his jaw. Now, turkeys on Thanksgiving aren't the happiest, you know, they're not the happiest birds in the animal kingdom. So I'm gonna come right here, let's do this. I'm gonna put like a little nostril there and a little nostril here, all right? Now I'm gonna come straight up from that nostril, and I'm going to draw a diagonal line this way, and a diagonal line going the other way. So this is sort of a right angle. Yeah. Now I'm going to draw a curved line like that, and another curved line like this. So there's his eyes. All right. Now he's going to stare us down. So I'm going to come right here, and I'm going to draw his pupils. Right? Because he's looking right at us. Now I'm going to give him some kind of eyebrow, so I'm going to do sort of a Nike swoosh, but going that way. So a Nike swoosh that goes up and then curves around, and then another one that goes that way. Okay. Now let's draw his head. I'm going to just come up here and give him like an upside down U for a head. All right, so we've got his face, we've got the turkey's face or her face. She's pretty angry because it's, you know, it's Thanksgiving. She doesn't want to be eaten. Now I'm gonna come down here, and it's kind of like drawing a vase. So you can imagine that that's a vase, right? And there might be flowers coming up over here. There's the turkey's neck. Okay. Now I'm gonna come down right here, a little bit up from, so like just right in here somewhere. And I'm gonna draw a parentheses there, parentheses shape there, and another one over here. Okay. Now this turkey's holding a sign, so I am going to draw a straight line like this. If you need to turn your paper so it's easier, like sometimes it's easier to turn it so that it's like straight like that, coming straight at you, to draw a straight line down. So I'm going to draw a straight line down there, and then I'm going to draw another straight line next to it, but I'm only going to come to right here. I'm not going to finish it because I want to put the wing there. So let's do this. I'm going to bring this down a little bit, then I'm going to draw a curved line that goes all the way like that. Okay? Then I'm going to come up like that. And I'm going to make this line over here, and then a curved line like that. And then I'm going to repeat this line again here, and then a curved line like that. Then I'm going to draw a backward C to connect them. Okay? Then I can bring this line all the way down here because it's gonna hold a sign. Don't draw this line yet because we got to draw the wings. So I'm going to come over here. Let's see. I'm going to come over here. Then I'm going to draw a curved line like that, and then the opposite way. So almost like a really tall, skinny S. And then I'm going to draw this line like that. Then I'm going to copy that line right there and come up like that. And then I'm going to copy this line and I'll come up like that. Okay, I'm going to draw this line. Remember to pause the video when you need to pause the video. I'm going to extend this line down a little bit, and then I'm going to do that so it looks like it's holding the sign. Alright, we can go ahead and draw that sign. It can go, it can be kind of big, and it can even go off the paper. Because this turkey is protesting Thanksgiving, and you would too if you were a turkey. Okay, we'll come back to the sign in a second. Now, let's come down here and draw the turkey's body. So pretend like this line goes through here, and then just draw a curved line right there. And then we're gonna do a bracket and a line like that, and then another bracket. Okay, those are sort of where the drumsticks would be. Then I'm gonna come to the middle here and draw these legs. I'm gonna put a C there. So parallel lines here, a C, and then I'm gonna come back this way. And now I'm gonna give it 3, like a bracket kind of. Okay? Then I'm gonna make the opposite lines here. I'm gonna do this, and then here, and then I'll give it a backward C, then come back down here, and give them 3 claws, like that. Okay? What's missing? We got the tail. So let's do this. I'm gonna come right here, and I'm gonna draw this line going up like that. And then I'm gonna come over here and draw the same line over here. It might go off the paper, and then I'm gonna pretend like that this line goes here, and then like it comes up here and goes like that. And it's okay to draw off the paper. Okay? Then you can do these lines. Don't get confused with the sign line. I'll go ahead and, since I've got a brown marker here, I'll go ahead and color this in, sort of. Okay, so that's the sign. And then draw the lines there. And you can do like a more serious tail if you want. But that works for me for right now, okay? Really, it should come up like that. So if you're using pencil, I'd erase this line. But I'm not using pencil. Okay, here, let's do this. I'm gonna draw a pig face right here. So I'm gonna start with the snout. So that's an upside down U. And then another sort of upside down U like that. Then I'm gonna do that and put 2 ovals there. Okay? Then I'm gonna put an X here and an X here, because this is a dead pig. Then I'm gonna do a big old C there and a backward C there to match it. And then I'm gonna do some ears and connect his head. And then I'm gonna give him a double chin. So like a parentheses shape there. Then I'm gonna say equals. Then I'm gonna write the other. Then I'm gonna go like this just because I need the room, so the other Thanksgiving meat. Right? So there you go. So that's turkey number one. Then you can color it. And then why don't you decide to give this to somebody? I'm going to say to, I'll say Ma, that's my grandma, from your favorite grandkid. Okay. Then happy Thanksgiving. You can write this anywhere, and then I'm going to sign it. Like, I'll do this leg right here. Okay? So there you go. That's turkey number one. Color it. Have fun.